for the right vehicle? Check out the 2001 Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, security system, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.